Hi, this video is brought to you by identipro. We are specialist sign and label printer distributors based in the UK. My name is Dave. The purpose of today's video is to give you an overview on the superb BBP85 sign and label printer. It's a large format printer that allows you to produce multicoloured vinyl signs. You can also mount signs to rigid board. The printer doesn't print onto rigid board, but you print a vinyl sign and then you use the BLS 2000 system on the end there, which can be bought as part of the package to produce rigid signs if you want rigid signs. What we'll do in today's video is take you through the standalone use of the printer. So it has its own screen and keyboard, and you can use the system standalone. You can also link into a PC using the workstation apps packages for Windows. So you can use a laptop or a PC. So we'll take you through all of that in today's video. The system prints in multicolour, so that makes it perfect for printing your own safety signs, pipe marking, general plant labelling, and general site signage. Without further ado, we'll bring the camera in, turn the lights off, and have a look at the standalone use and the touchscreen. Hopefully you can see the screen, I hope that's clear. So to use the standalone system, we use the touchscreen and the keyboard. To use the touchscreen, you can either use your finger. I tend to find using the stylus a bit more accurate, so there's a stylus there as part of the keyboard there. So we use the stylus. To insert an object, we use these tools here. So we want to insert some text, click text. We enter our text in, so I can put reception, do a quick direction sign. We can decrease the size of the font here, and then you can drag and drop, put the text where you want it to be. We can also add a directional arrow down here, so we're going to insert a graphic. Now that also takes us into safety signs, so if you wanted a safety sign, this is where you would get your various safety symbols. So that's prohibition, there's mandatory on there. It's a good range of safety symbols. I'm going to go back into arrows. We want that arrow there. We've selected it. We can resize it just by dragging and dropping the cursors there. And we can put it where we want it to be. Take the size down a bit more, and then pop it under the text, click off it, and then when we're ready to print, we hit print. One copy, OK. And it puts the sign together and then sends it to the printer. So we'll take you through the software now. So this is on the Windows laptop or a Windows desktop PC. Brady Workstation is an application-based software suite. So you basically download the workstation, the main application, and then you add these different apps that you require for you're using it for. So custom design is good for standard text signs. And including a logo, or importing from Excel. That's another benefit of using the software. Express signs is great for safety signs. You've also got things like pipe marking applications and CLP labelling that you can also add to Workstation. So we'll take you for a quick run through Express signs. So we select that, give it a few seconds just to open up. Once this is opened up, we can just make sure we're printing to the correct printer, which we are, the BBP85. We're printing to tape. We want to print on 10-inch vinyl. The printer does take 4-inch to 10-inch vinyl. We're printing on 10-inch, that's correct. And essentially you choose the sort of template that's nearest what you're looking for. So for a standard safety sign, that's a good one. Portrait. You select a sign category and that sets the colours. So if we select hazard warning, we'll get a yellow text box with black text. We can select a picture. It shows the last ones that you've used, the most recent you've used. If we hit browse, that opens up the full range. So currently in British Standard graphics, we can select European. We can select the forklift truck symbol as an example. Down here we can select we want the symbol bigger and the text box smaller, so that's a nice safety sign. And then over here you enter your text message. So we can put forklift trucks operate through this door. And that's basically it. We hit print. That's all okay, and we print. Then it sends the job to the printer and prints your sign. So it's nice and easy to use and can be updated when signs change, etc. So I hope you found that overview useful. We're going to pop a separate video up on our website showing how to change consumables in the printer. So check that out if you're interested in that. There's a separate video on the BLS 2000, so if you want to see how you mount vinyl signs on a rigid board, check out that separate video on our YouTube channel. If you've got any queries or questions, please get in touch with us. Our contact details are coming up just at the end of this video, and we're there now, so thanks for tuning in.